If you're new to the crypto space, this might be extremely shocking for you. The markets saw a major dump towards the downside. Yes, Bitcoin dumped 13% all the way back down, and we got this fast recovery all the way back up. But now, as I told you in the previous video, Bitcoin doesn't like these V-shaped recoveries. Now we saw that Bitcoin came all the way back down to the levels of 94,000 US dollars, and at the moment we can see that Bitcoin retested this upward sloping trend, failed to break back above, and now we're seeing this continuation all the way back down. But guys, all you need to do at the moment is lean back, take a deep breath and relax, because this is business as usual. And yes, we are seeing these healthy retracements or consolidation even during a major bull market. And we're going to look at all of this data, and yes, we're going to find out what you should be doing at the moment. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And before we're going to look at Bitcoin, 7 days ago I uploaded this video, sell your XRP, it's a scam. And yes guys, I got a lot of hate for this video, but let's go over to the charts, because yes, it perfectly worked out as predicted. Exactly here, I uploaded this video. We saw this retracement all the way back down to the $2.16, and this was exactly here where I posted this over on X and made this prediction, this red line. And yes guys, it perfectly worked out, and we could expect that XRP is going to see this major dump towards the downside, because yes, I don't believe in XRP, and this major pump towards the upside was just driven by a major hype from the XRP army. Because if we're going to zoom out, this is what we can always see for XRP: a major pump and a major dump afterwards, major pump, major dump, major pump, major dump. So yes guys, a lot of people might say this time it's different, but these are the most dangerous words in crypto. This time it's not going to be different, because yes, we saw this behavior for XRP over and over again. We're going to see it once again, that XRP is going to dump all the way back down. But guys, let's focus on the overall crypto market, because yes, we saw this major consolidation and this major flash crash in the overall crypto market. These are the weekly bubbles. But if you're investing, you should actually apply reverse psychology, and your mindset has to be absolutely clear, because this is not a major dump. This is just a major opportunity, a golden opportunity to get into all of these coins that you missed to buy at these low levels. This is going to be your second chance. And before we're going to go over to the data, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin, because yes, we can see that we failed to come above this major trend line, the trend line that we broke towards the downside, which gave us this impulse all the way back down to the 93,900 US dollars, because we can see it was previous support in perfect correlation with the 100 moving average exactly here. And once we broke this level towards the downside, we saw a fast recovery all the way back up. And yes guys, maybe we're going to reach my price target, the bearish price target that I've talked about 2 videos ago, because I told you that the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart is ultimately going to be our next price target. This level we need to hold. And yes guys, these major retracements in the bull market are absolutely normal. Yes, we can see that Bitcoin overall from the previous all-time high all the way to the swing low, round about the 90,400 US dollar level, is round about a 13% correction. But yes, we could even see a correction all the way back down to the 80,000 US dollars, being a 20% correction, because this is the usual retracement level within a bull market. Because remember, exactly 2 weeks ago, I uploaded this video, Bitcoin at 100,000 US dollars, a 20% dump. What is the next move? And yes guys, overall I knew exactly that we're going to see a major retracement of 20%, because if we're going to go over to the long-term chart of Bitcoin, the weekly chart, we can see that in the previous bull market we had this major correction exactly here, which was exactly from the swing high all the way to the swing low. This was round about 32%. And yes guys, we even saw a small consolidation here, a major pump all the way from the swing high all the way to the swing low. This was a correction of 16%. And yes, if we're going to go even all the way back to the previous bull market in the year 2016, we saw this major breakout, major dump, round about 36%. And yes, even here, a major high, a major dump, 33%, and a major high, and a major dump, round about 40%, and this was even 40% during the bull market. And all the way up here, we saw the same scenario, a major pump, a consolidation, round about 39%. And once again, guys, we can see that even during a bull market, these healthy retracements are golden opportunities to buy at a lower level. So the only thing that you can do at the moment is either ignore this major crash, sit on your hands and do absolutely nothing, or you can accumulate dollar cost average even more into your positions to get your average entry price down, because overall, guys, we could expect this major continuation. And if you're going to try to outpace the market to sell your crypto at a loss, like for instance, let's say you bought Uniswap exactly here and you're going to sell exactly here in a loss of round about 24% with the aim to buy it all the way down here if it's going to come even lower. Guys, you're not going to get exactly this entry because this might be a flash crash, or the price is going to turn around exactly here and we could expect a fast move towards the upside. Yes, if you think this move towards the downside was fast, wait until you're going to see this move towards the upside, because once again, this is going to catch a lot of people off guard, and it's not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. So the only thing that you can do at the moment is either sit on your hands and ignore this major FUD and this flash crash, or you could accumulate even more. And if you want to accumulate some coins, go down in the video description below and sign up to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus, and make sure to join my free Telegram group where I always keep you up to date, because I made this call on Trust, which is a meme coin, and I posted the spot entry this morning. And if we go over to the charts, yes, at the moment the market is retracing, but we are still up 31%, and ultimately, guys, I do expect that we're going to see a major breakout towards the upside, well above the 10 million market cap, because this coin is round about $8 million in market cap. And if we're going to see this continuation even higher, guys, we're going to make some major profits, because we're still up 30% even though the overall crypto market is dumping. And this is exactly what I've been telling you. Yes, in the previous videos I even told you that I could expect, if we're going to see this retracement and lose this level towards the downside, that this is going to be a fast move. And yes, I was absolutely right. This was a fast move exactly here. And I do expect, if Bitcoin is not going to turn around exactly here, we could expect a fast move to the 200 moving average and a major pump towards the upside. And even if the market is going to dump all the way to the 80,000 US dollars, this is not going to change anything, because if we're going to look at the data, yes guys, we saw a lot of liquidations, but this is just healthy to flush out all the markets, to get rid of all these weak hands, all the people that are not diamond hands and know exactly what time it is. Yes, a lot of people are going to panic and sell their cryptocurrencies, and the major whales, major corporations, or even nations, they're going to accumulate these coins at a lower level. So yes guys, don't sell your coins in a loss, because this is business as usual, and we have seen this before. Because if we're going to go back to December 2020 all the way to February, we can see we had exactly here a 30% correction for the overall crypto market, the crypto total market cap, excluding the top 10 coins, and we saw the exact same scenario, a 30% correction, and afterwards we saw a 438% pump. So what is a 30% correction after this major move and the beginning of the altcoin season? Because remember, the previous video I uploaded, I told you shocking altcoin data. Guys, we're just before a major breakout towards the upside. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. We can see exactly here for the total market cap, excluding the top 10 coins, we can see we are having a 26% correction, and afterwards, guys, we could expect this parabolic run. So yes, the only thing that you should be doing is either accumulating or sit on your hands, because we have seen this before, and it's absolutely normal that we're going to see this retracements during a bull market. We have seen it over here, and also over here, and even this major consolidation over here. And remember what I always say, it is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. Accumulate, because this is only going to be the beginning of a major altcoin season. You're going to be surprised how fast Uniswap or even stacks are going to turn around. You're getting a second chance exactly here. And if we're going to look at the charts, this looks extremely bullish, because we saw this breakout, breaking this major W formation, so this major breakout. Now we're seeing a retracement all the way back down to the breakout point where we can see previous resistance that will now act as support. And yes, we even can see the 50 moving average exactly here, perfectly lining up with the psychological level, the $2 for stacks. So yes, I do expect a small consolidation exactly within this level, but afterwards we could expect a fast move towards the upside. So use this golden opportunity, because yes, a few days ago you thought you missed this major move towards the upside, and now you're once again going to get this golden opportunity to enter at a major discount. But most importantly guys, if you always want to stay up to date, make sure to join my free Telegram group to get these major meme coin calls and to stay updated what is happening in the overall crypto market. And if you want to trade all of this on the spot market or even with leverage, sign up to BloFin, because ultimately guys, this is just going to be a small breather within this major bullish cycle, and I do expect that either Bitcoin is going to form a double bottom exactly here, that the price movement is going to consolidate within this level round about the 94,000 US dollars, and that we can once again come above the 100 moving average, the 13 and the 50 moving average, perfectly lining up at the 98,000 US dollars, exactly at this upward sloping trend. This would be our bullish indication. But overall guys, even if we're going to dump to the 200 moving average, this consolidation or dump or major opportunity is just going to be transitory. So make sure to be for crypto, accumulate exactly now, and we see each other in the next video.